So I get annoyed with people. I get annoyed when people are in nature and they're thinking of money. They look at nature and they see things to prune and chop and change and not enough. And when I'm in nature, all I see is abundance. I see God. I see infinity. I see infinite medicine, beauty, food, happy, self-reliant, non-needy, giving, overflowing, lots, infinite possibilities, happy. None of those man-made things apply here. They are cool. Sit, make a painting on it. When I walk along and forage and just feed and just overflowing and fill chicken buckets full of weeds and medicines and yummies, and my own buckets full overflowing, picking berries, tomatoes, seeds, wild spinaches, oranges, bananas, avos, you go for it, beans, there's so much, turmerics, adumbis, leaves of so many things, sweet potatoes, all of them, everything, edible, and just yummy and smelly, yummy smellies, building materials, sitting materials, music materials, spiritual, bruh. So don't annoy me with bullshit.